Well, hello everybody. This is Lisa Freeman from stampingwithlisa.com, joining you today on Thursday this time. It is really Thursday today. And I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It is beautiful here in Chesapeake, Virginia. And I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you a card that I made in one of my classes this week. And everybody loved it, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I'm not showing my face today because I just finished mowing the grass a little while ago and took a shower, and I have to go to work in just a little bit, and I haven't gotten dressed yet, so you're not seeing me right now. All right, but hopefully you can see these cards right here. Let me see if I'm live. Yay, it looks like I am. Let's see if anybody's watching. Hey, Lois. Make sure you put a comment on here so I can see you. All right, hopefully we've got several people on here. Just put a comment on so I can see. Hey, Wendy. All right, what do you guys think about this card? Isn't it beautiful? It's with the Peaceful Cabin paper. It's actually called Peaceful Place. I wish they would just call it Peaceful Cabin so I wouldn't get them all mixed up. Hey, Pamela. Hey, Melinda. It's raining in Florida, huh? It is beautiful, sunny, and when I mowed the grass like 2 hours ago, it was cloudy and so humid outside. I was just like dripping sweat. And as soon as I finished, the sun came out and it just got cooler, the humidity went away, and now it's beautiful out. So I was like, great. I thought if I did it early, I would get the cooler part of the day, but now it's really nice out. All right, so this is one of the cards that we did in class the other day, and I don't know if you can see all the sparkle on here. Hopefully you can. It's so beautiful. I got lots of Wink Stella on there. So these are the same cards, just two of the same version. But everybody loved that card, and there's only one thing you have to stamp. It's basically just putting paper together. So let me show you where to find it. It's in the Holiday Mini. If you start on page 36, it's the Peaceful Place Suite, and that just shows you some samples. And then on page 37 is the paper, and I'm actually going to show you the paper in case you haven't seen it. Here's the stamp set and the dies, and here is, what is that? Oh, snowy white velvet sheets. I thought that was the embossing folder. We're using an embossing folder too. This is the actual stamp set, which goes with the paper, and I think it is so beautiful. That was one of my first sets I had to get when I saw this in the catalog. So that's that. And then we've also got the stamp sets and dies. So I'm using the Tasteful Texture embossing folder. So this is kind of like, I don't know, fabric or something. I don't know exactly what to describe it, but it's some kind of a texture. It just kind of makes it look like, I don't know, some kind of fabric. And the cabin dies, you get all these dies in there. And then the Peaceful Cabin stamp set, like I just showed you, is beautiful. And for the words, I used this stamp set, Inspired Thoughts, for the peace, joy, and love. It's got a bunch of really nice sayings in there, but that's the main one that I wanted. So that's what you need as far as the products. And then I wanted to share a few cards with you. My upline Faith is actually the one that inspired this card, because she did one for one of my swaps that was almost the same as this. So I'll show you that. So this one is actually one that I did a video of a couple weeks ago. So if you missed that video, go back and look for it on my YouTube channel. It is beautiful. I love it, love it. This paper, you just really don't have to do much at all with it. It's just so beautiful. This one, I think I did a video of this. I'm pretty sure I did. I think I did two together. Actually, I think I did this one and this one together. I'm pretty sure. I can't remember. But go back and look. I'm pretty sure I did a video of all three. So this is one that I did. This was super easy. It's just the background paper, and I just stamped the house, the farmhouse, or the Peaceful Cabin, and cut it out with the die and put it on there, and then put a bunch of Wink Stella on it. And then this one I did a video of. This one is just the paper. That's all paper. Comes like that, and I just did the words on there. And then this one is that one that my friend at Upline Faith did. And she did the same thing, but she just embossed the Peace, Love, Joy. And that's the same one I just showed you. That was Faith's, and then this is mine. So that's the difference between the two of ours. And then she put a little glitter there, but we don't have glitter anymore, so I didn't do that. But the cards are absolutely beautiful. So thank you, Faith, for the inspiration for this card. And she is my very talented upline. She taught me everything she knows. She makes some awesome cards. All right, so let me show you the paper real quick. It is 12 by 12, and it is so beautiful. Oh, I know I've showed it before, but it's, oh my gosh. This is just how it comes, just like this. You can just cut it up and make cards with it. It's just so pretty. And then we've got this piece. You just cut it right down the middle at 6 inches and make, I would probably do, well, you could cut it actually at 4 inches and do a bunch of cards that way. Or you could do 6 by 6 scrapbook page too. This one just has the snowflakes, and then we're actually using the other side of this one, which has the plaid on it. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the other sides. The other sides are really pretty, but they're not embossed with the silver. And then this one's embossed like the wood grain, kind of like a tree trunk, and that's got trees on the back. This one's just sparkly, and has, this is the one with the cabin on the back that I'm using. And then this one is just all silver embossed trees. Just so sparkly, and this one just has some gray on the back. So I don't know why you'd use that side when this side's so pretty. It's all beautiful. I don't even want to cut it. It's so pretty. But I've made a bunch of cards with that, and you guys have to try it because it's just so pretty. All right, so that's it for that stuff. And then I wanted to show you my special for the month, because I'm really close to earning the Stampin' Up trip. So I'm having a special. This is just the regular special that I have going on. So if you go to my website, stampingwithlisa.com, you can place an order. And then I have a drawing this month. If you place a $50 or more order, you get entered to win a free mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and also a free $50 gift certificate. So there's 2 prizes. And also I send you free gifts with your order. But make sure you use the host code, this one right here. And then I'll have another one like the 21st. And then if your order's over $100, you might want to think about getting the starter kit for only $99. You get $125 in product plus a free bundle that is on the back page of the Celebration Mini. So right here they list it on page 19 of the Celebration. These are all the ones you can pick from. And they're between $40 and $60 extra. And then $125 of anything you want, and you get free shipping. So that is a great deal. And then my other special, this is the big one. So if you have a big wish list, this is the time to order it. Okay, so for the rest of September, this is just for me, not Stampin' Up. Well, part of it is from Stampin' Up. Okay, so if you order $400 or more, you get 8 free celebration sets. You get about $50 in free hostess gifts, and $50 in free product from me extra. That's a bonus. So that's $100 in free product, plus 8 free celebration sets, plus a thank you gift for me. If you bump it up to $450, you also get an extra $15 free and another celebration item and a half price item. So if you've been having, saving your wish list for some time, when there's a good deal, this is the best deal you're going to find. And if I just get 5 people, then I earn the Stampin' Up trip, and I will be so excited. So I've been really working hard all year to get this, and I'm so close. I'm just like $1,700 away. So I really would appreciate your order if you don't have a demonstrator already. And I will send you lots of thank you gifts, including the $50 in free product that you get to pick, and I'll just order it for you. So enough of that. All the business is taken care of. So let me show you what we're going to use today for the card. So we've got our 5.5 by 8.5 Sahara sand, our 5 1/4 by 4 white, and I've already embossed that with the Tasteful Texture embossing folder, 3 1/4 by 4 smoky slate, 3 by 2.5 designer series paper, the Peaceful Place that I just showed you, and then the pieces are so small, I've got so many, 1.5 by 3 of the Peaceful Place again. We've got 2 pieces of Sahara sand, that one is die cut. This is a little die cut here, and I just used about 2 by 1.5 inches to die cut that out. And I think this is from the rectangle dies, the stitched rectangles. This is 1 by 1 Sahara sand, and then this little teeny piece is 3 by 1/4. So just that little teeny piece right there. I don't know how you want to put it. Put it right here. I don't know why that's not staying flat. Alright, so if you want to take a screenshot of all those, you can. And we also have some ribbon. I've got some linen thread and the white seam binding ribbon. So there you go. So take a screenshot. Oh, thanks, Wendy. Hey, Lois. Hey, Kathy. Thanks for joining me today. All right, so you ready to get started? It is a super easy card. Let's take all these little Post-its off. This was a lot. I got ready to do it, and I'm like, man, I got to write all the Post-its down so you can have all the measurements. All right, so first thing we're going to do is just tape or glue these two together. So this is a very quick card if you have everything cut ahead of time. It does take a little time to prep your stuff, but after you've got it prepped, it's a really fast card. And just glue that down. And it was so funny, I was mowing the grass and I finished mowing. I went over to my garden, which has been like awful this year. I don't have enough sun in my backyard because I have so many trees. So my garden didn't really grow hardly anything because it just didn't get enough sun. We're going to glue this down. And so I walk over there and I check it every now and then, but I've gotten one tomato the whole year out of my garden. That's it. And I walk over there, my tomato plant is just loaded with tomatoes. And I'm like, where did these all appear from? Because last week there was nothing. And there was like 7 or 8 tomatoes on there. And I was so excited because all summer I've waited for tomatoes. And now I finally get them when it's pretty much fall. So I don't know what the deal was with that. But I'm going to see if I can plant somewhere else in the yard next year. But I don't know. My whole backyard is really shaded. So I don't really get enough sun. I don't think at all. Might have to do it on the side of the yard, but then I'd be afraid somebody would steal all my stuff. Not that I live in a bad area or anything, but if people are driving by and they see all this nice vegetables, they might say, oh, let's stop and get some. Oh, I cut that just a teeny bit too short. Like just a smidge, but you can't tell really. All right, so there you go. That's all the pieces put down on the gray. And then we're going to put this piece onto the back piece here with dimensionals. Anybody got any exciting plans for this weekend? I'm so excited I don't have to work. I've got a new class coming up in 2 weeks, well, a week and a half, for the pastels, the new chalk pastels. So I don't think I need another one. So I'll be working on that, which is fun. I haven't played with them yet. So I'm going to be looking online to see if I can find any good ideas on how to use them, because I haven't used the pastels in a long time. All right, so this goes down on here, just like that. And then we've got these two pieces that I cut out. So all you have to do is stamp the words. And, uh-oh, I forgot the words, didn't I? Oh my gosh. Oh, no, here they are. Whew. About had a heart attack. Thought I forgot the words. All right, so we've got peace, joy, love. I want to say peace, love, joy. I think that's backwards. I think it should be peace, love, joy on there. All right, so now let me try and get this centered on here. I'm going to have to pull it closer so I can see it. It's hard to see above it if it's not right in front of me. All right, that came out pretty good. Yay. All right, so that's the only thing you have to stamp, and then I'm going to show you a little trick. So here's, well, I need the glue in a second. All right, so make sure it's dry, and then you're just going to take it and dip it into the ink pad. So what you're doing is just coloring the edges, and that just gives it a sponged look, kind of, but you're not sponging. So I'm just going to do that a couple times. So then when you finish, you get that pretty little edge around it, just from the ink touching it. So I think that's really pretty. Just subtle, but it just makes it look pretty. And then we're just going to glue that down. And put that down on here. And that's just going to be flat. And then we're going to put some dimensionals on the back of that. I feel like I'm rushing. I have to go eat lunch and get ready for work, which I'm dreading. I didn't get out till 11:30 last night, and I got to work tonight and tomorrow night. We have been so packed at work, it's not even funny. I work at an urgent care center, in case you guys don't know that. And I'm telling you, all we're seeing is just COVID, 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 COVID all day. And most of the people don't even have it. They're just coming in because their boss or whoever's making them do it. Or the kids, if the kids are exposed at school, then like the whole class has to get the test. And so it's not really so much that everybody has COVID, but it's just that they all have to get tested all the time. So we are just nonstop people coming in and out. I don't know why I can't tie this bow. So from the time I got to work yesterday until the minute I left, I never stopped working. Didn't get a lunch break, a dinner break, nothing. I took a bathroom break for like 5 seconds and that was it. So I'm praying tonight is not going to be quite as busy, but it probably will because it's, I don't know why I can't tie a bow. I can't talk and chew gum at the same time. All right, let's try it one more time. So I just have both of these together. This time it's going to work. Here we go. Oh, yes. All right. And then the key is always just to hold the knot and pull until you get the bow the right size that you want. So you just hold that knot and pull it back and forth until it looks exactly how you want it. Ah, okay. That one's stuck a little bit. All right, so that looks pretty good. I think I want that loop just a little smaller. All right, so now we've got our bow, and we're just going to put that on with some glue dots. Maybe 2, just to hold it really good. And put that down right under your words. I just love this. I love the linen thread and the white ribbon, the seam binding together. It's just so dainty and pretty. Feminine looking, kind of vintagey, shabby chic looking. It kind of reminds me of, you know, all the people that redo the furniture and make it look so beautiful and kind of that old vintagey looking way. All right, now we need some Wink of Stella. So I'm going to get my Wink of Stella and something to hit it on. So let's just tap that. Get lots of sparkle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I love it. Hopefully you guys can see all that shimmer on there. It is so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. All right, what do you guys think? You love it? And this is a super easy card. Anybody can do it. And if you don't have those words, just find a little saying that's small enough to go on like a little square like that. But I just thought the peace, joy, love was really pretty. Because we sure do need some more peace, joy, and love in this world. All right, so that is my quick video for today. I hope you guys loved it, and thanks for joining me at lunchtime on Thursday. And I think today is what, the 16th? So we're over halfway through the month. So don't forget about my special. You can get tons and tons of free stuff if you place your order. And don't forget you can get a couple friends together if you want to. Get 2 or 3 friends and do like a party. And you can be the hostess and you can get all the free stuff. Just get your friends to order a little bit. So if everybody orders like $100, put it all in under one order and you'll get all the free stuff. So thank you, Wendy. Thank you, Sharon. How are you doing? Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I am so happy to have you with me while I'm doing a video. It's always more fun with more people watching. In case you missed my last one, we did this sunset, which was so beautiful on the snow. So if you haven't checked out that one, that was the last video I did on YouTube right before this one, or on Facebook if you're on Facebook. And if you're on YouTube, don't forget to like, share, comment, and all that, and you can win the cards. So I give away all the cards that I make online on the videos. So all you have to do is leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If it's nice. If it's not nice, I'll delete it. So please don't leave a mean one. All right, you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I'll be back Saturday with another video. Thanks, Pamela. Oh, I love the easy ones. Yes, me too. Especially when they look so beautiful and look like they took so much time, because I think it looks like it's stamped. It doesn't look like paper. All right, see you later, guys. Bye-bye.